save delicious food, and fight food waste with Too Good To Go. What's inside my Too Good To Go bag? Hello friends, we're here at Hercules Center and Starvesen over there. We're here to collect the Too Good To Go pack that I ordered early this morning. Too Good To Go is an application that you can download through Google Apps. It is a food revolution application that aims to eliminate food waste. And I'm so curious what's inside the bag, so I tried to order one pack to be collected at 7:30 p.m. It's almost 7:30, so we'll just wait and see. It's here, Too Good To Go. Too Good To Go. It is a food revolution app that you can download from Google App Stores. And we ordered a pack from Norway, and it says here, receipt for your order. So it's very much ready for me to collect. I'll just wait until it's 7:30. Stay 10 minutes before 7:30 p.m. Okay, we're going to the store now to collect the Too Good To Go pack. Say thank you. Tack så mycket. Ha det. Okay, we got the pack now. What's inside my Too Good To Go bag? I got 4 donuts. I got 4 of this one. I think it costs at least 15 kroner each, and I got 4. And lots of bullet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 11 bullets, 4 of this kind, and 4 donuts. Not that bad. Too good to go. Thank you very much for this bag. What's next? What's next? What's next with the what's inside my bag? Okay, I'll do mukbang of donuts. We'll start with the strawberry. It's good. Good. So yummy. So strawberry. Donnies. So good. Go to the next donut. It's chocolate. It doesn't taste like chocolate at all. It's just coated with chocolate on the outside, but it's chewy inside. So sweet compared to the strawberry. It's so sweet that I could just eat 2 of the donuts. Couldn't eat 4 of it. We'll just eat the remaining to tomorrow. Sugar overload mukbang. I am pretty much happy with the Too Good To Go pack that I got from Norway.